Good day, car buddies! Welcome to another episode of CarView PH. And for today's video, we're here at Mazda Santa Rosa. And this is our first time here, no? And the first time din natin makakasama si Maflu, our newest additional member to our family, CarView PH.
Hi car buddies, my name is Maflu and I am our newest CarView PH Angel. So for today's video, we have here Sir
Tyron Pusag.
Yes, sales consultant. Yes.
Hi, my name is Tyron Pusag from Mazda Santa Rosa.
All right, sir. I have a few questions here about Mazda 3 sedan. So first question, sir, what are the variants and prices of the Mazda 3?
First of all, we have two variants for Mazda. We have the sedan, categorized as the sports variant, and also the hybrid, which is the HEV. And that is available also for sedan variant and hatchback. So for the price, for the hatchback, it's the same, which is 1.510. So also with sedan. And for the hybrid unit, it's 1.790. Available in hatchback and sedan.
All right, sir. How about the color?
For the color, we have two premium colors that Mazda can offer. We have the Soul Red Crystal, which has an additional 22,400, and also the Machine Gray, which has the additional of 16,400.
All right, sir. Can you share with us about the free PMS, or we should call preventive maintenance schedule is?
All right. For Mazda, since we're the only one who can offer it, we have the 5 years free service, parts, oil, and labor. That's the regular PMS that Mazda offers.
Last question, sir. What about the warranty?
Warranty, we have 3 years warranty or 100,000 kilometers, whichever comes first.
Ayan, meron pa akong additional questions, sir, regarding Mazda. Why is that Mazda vehicles is priced higher compared to its competitors?
Because the one that we have here is Mazda 3. It has a premium quality above all leading brands. And Mazda is made in Japan. Ayaw na lang yung natitirang JDM. JDM number 1.
Alright, and of course, mapapakita naman natin yan sa ating mga viewers, no? And ano ba yung selling point nitong ating Mazda 3? Why would you recommend this to our viewers?
First of all, since Mazda 3 has been launched in the Philippines, we're the only brand that is still made in Japan. And also, the quality of materials that we have here, it's really comparable to others.
And looking at this Mazda 3, talagang pag-i-stand out ka talaga,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Pag
Really is.
gamit mo siya sa labas, no? Alright, and for those who are interested in our Mazda vehicles, ipopost na lang namin sa screen yung contact number ni Sir Tyron.
Alright, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our page, CarView PH, and also the YouTube, CarView PH. And once again, I am Maflu.
I'm Tyron Pusag from Mazda Santa Rosa.
And of course, once again, I'm Bea. So, can we review this Mazda 3, sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, let's start. Mazda 3 is a compact sedan by Mazda. And now, please join me as we dive into the history of this Mazda 3. During 1970s, there was an oil embargo because of the conflict in Middle East, wherein oil all over the world was scarce. Therefore, the Mazda engineers developed and released the Mazda GLC, or the Great Little Car, and it became a hit. It's compact and yet fun to drive with, and most especially, it's fuel efficient with its 1.3 liters engine. And the Mazda GLC was popular as a family vehicle. In late 80s, Mazda introduces the Mazda 323, which is the successor of the Mazda GLC. And while the GLC is a hatchback, 323 is a sedan. And this was the first Mazda family car that reached the Philippine shores during 1990s. Kaya, kaway-kaway ka sa mga titas of Manila. Then, In 2004, the Mazda 323 was replaced by the first generation Mazda 3, and it is available in hatchback and sedan. Even though Mazda 3 gone through a lot of changes and advancement, one thing remains the same. The Mazda's philosophy, which is the Jing Bai Tai, representing the harmony between the car and the driver. For 2024, there have been many improvements since its first launch in 2019, and we are now on its fourth generation Mazda 3. So what are we waiting for? Let's start with the engine. When it was first launched way back 2020, Mazda 3 offered two engines, the 1.5-liter and the 2.0-liter Sky Active. Now our options are a 2.0-liter engine and a hybrid engine. This sports model comes with a 2.0-liter Sky Active G, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder gasoline engine that produces 154 horsepower and 200 Newton-meter of torque, mated to a 6-speed automatic. Even without the hybrid motor, the Sky Active technology gives the Mazda 3 15% increases in fuel efficiency and torque, thanks to the high compression combustions of 1401. While the other market offers 4-wheel drive, this one is front-wheel drive only, and it's also equipped with I-stop engine idling stop system. So now let's close this and let's start with the exterior. Starting with the front fascia, as you can see, we have this very long and wide hood with soft body lines. And we also have these gloss black honeycomb grills with luxurious chrome accent. Of course, the Mazda logo. And we also have this LED adaptive front lighting system with auto leveling, and with how they position this LED light and how bright this LED light, hindi na natin kailangan ng fog light. So as you can see, this one, design na lang siya. This one is a projector type of headlight. This one is the DRL, scene circle, and then yung pinaka-headlight is yung nasa center with turn signal lights. And these are all LED. And as you can see, hindi visible yung wipers dito, unlike yung the usual cars. And talaga namang it's really evident that this Mazda 3 is a elegant, simple, yet sophisticated all-in-one, especially with its color. Hindi siya yung basta-basta na red, just like the other cars. So let's proceed with the side profile. Okay, so here at the side profile, let's start with the wheels. So, ang sukat ng ating tires is 215/45, and the rims are R18. All disc brake, and ayan, silver yung ating rims. Yung ating suspension naman dito sa unahan is MacPherson strut, and then sa likod is torsion. So here at the side mirror, as you can see, auto fold and power adjust siya. And then meron din tayong LED turn signal lights dito, and of course yung ating blind spot monitoring. So dito naman sa ating window, meron tayong chrome accent with gloss black pillars, and naka privacy glass na rin tayo dito and dun sa back. And yung ating door handle, naka body color na rin siya, and this is smart entry na din. Makikita rin natin meron tayong black plastic molding dito sa baba. And as you can see, very unique yung body lines niya. Very soft, no? Because Mazda engineers still uses the molding clays, no? Kaya naman, very soft and no hard edges yung ating body lines. So the dimensions are 4,660 by 1,795 by 1,445. And we have 135 millimeters ground clearance. So let's proceed at the back. Alright, so here at the back, as you can see, wala tayong visible antenna, no? Kasi naka-glass print na siya. And yan, we also have defoggers, the third brake light. And makikita rin natin yung shape ng ating trunk para na siyang may ducktail. Of course, yung ating tail lights, ayan, these are all LED. This one is the turn signal lights and the reverse light and extended yan sa side. Meron din tayong, of course, Mazda logo, Mazda 3 emblem, and yung Sky Active G na emblem. Meron din tayong 4 back sensors. And of course, meron din tayong reverse camera. Also, meron din tayong dalawang exhaust pipe. Alright? And as you can see, wala tayong makikitang button dyan for the trunk release, no? So, nandito siya sa ilalim ng logo, which is very unique. Alright? Okay, so as you can see, meron dalawang lever dito, no? Pwede nyong i-fold yung second row doon kung may ilalagay kayong mahabang bagay dyan or what. Hindi mo na kailangan magpunta doon. Dito na lang. Pwede nyo nang ma-fold yung back seat. And then, andito na rin yung ating subwoofer. Yan, sa ilalim. Meron din tayong very huge compartment, as you can see. And donut type din yung ating spare tire. Yung mga tools nandito na din. Alright, and then even yung dito niya, no, may cover siya, which is talagang very premium talaga yung dating niya. And then dito may handle din dito. And of course, ang advantage din nitong sedan is mas malaki yung trunk capacity niya compared dun sa ating hatchback, which this one has 454 liters trunk capacity, bigger and wide opening compared dun sa ating hatchback na meron lamang 370 liters trunk capacity. So let's close this one. So before we call on Maflu, let me mention first the safety features of this Mazda 3 sports sedan. It has 7 SRS airbags, ABS with EBD, dynamic stability control, rear camera and rear sensors. Yung ating 360 camera naman is available only sa HEV. But this sports variant also gets blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert, while available naman din sa HEV is yung full suit ADAS or Eye Active Sense. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel CarView PH and hit the notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa mga susunod namin video. So Maflu, take it away!
Thank you, Ate Mela Sue, for exterior review of Mazda 3 sedan. Let's now take a look sa loob ng Mazda 3 sedan. So, the first thing we will explain is about door panel. Soft panel leather with brown stitches, and of course, we have chrome and also the gloss black accent. Even the speaker, meron siyang metal cover. At ang brand is Bose, and meron tayong 12 speakers. Sa lahat ng window is meron tayong auto up and down. And of course, we have wide ang ating compartment and meron siyang bottled holder. And next is we have blind spot monitor, and also pwede mong i-mute yung audio warning if naiingayan ka. And next is we have parking sensors on and off. And also, we have traction control on and off. And of course, merong unique feature ang Mazda, which is the iStop. So, for example, na traffic ka, automatic na may stop yung engine mo, but tuloy pa rin yung electronics. For example, is yung aircon. So, all in all, makakasave siya ng fuel. So, para siyang naka-sleep mode lang. So, once na tinapakan mo yung gas, it means madi-disengage na siya. Sa baba, meron tayong dalawang memory seat. And for example, if you are not comfortable sa upuan mo, so pwede mo siyang iset. And to the other person, pwede din niyang iset sa desired position niya. And of course, meron tayong small compartment. Pwede kang maglagay dyan ng mga small items. For example, is coins or mga gamit na kakasya dyan. So dito sa ating driver seat, merong 10-way power adjust. While sa ating passenger seat is merong 4-way manual adjust. So sa upuan ni Mazda 3, meron siyang part na malambot at meron din siyang part na matigas to be comfortable at the same time durable. Meron din another reason kung bakit merong hard part ang Mazda 3 sa ating upuan to keep you in place while spirited driving. So dito sa ating steering wheel, it is a leather wrap with stitches and of course meron tayong chrome accents. So dito sa ating left side is meron siyang audio and call control. While sa ating right side meron siyang cruise control. So dito sa likod meron tayong paddle shifters and automatic ang ating headlights and wipers. So dito sa ating automatic wiper, as you can see meron siyang maliit dito na light indicator. So nagbe-base siya if naka-auto na yung ating wiper. So i-check naman natin kung tilt and telescopic ba siya. So ngayon pakinggan naman natin yung horn niya. So ang lakas ng horn niya. Nagising yung kaluluwa ko. So i-check naman natin ang ating gauge. So as you can see dito sa ating left side, this is what we call tachometer. While dito sa ating gitna is speedometer. While dito sa ating right side, fuel and temperature siya. So dito sa ating gilid, left and right, this is what we call analog. While sa gitna is digital. So dito sa ating gauge, as you can see, pare-pareha sila ng designs and pareha sila ng light. So mapagkakamalan mo na analog din yung nasa gitna but it is digital. So, once na pinindot po tong info, so meron siya, dito maipapakita niya ang driving info. Alright, dito sa ating infotainment, bago na siya for the year 2024 kasi dati is, sa old model nila is merong 8 inches but now is meron na tayong 10.25 inches. So, as you can see, capable na siya sa wireless Apple CarPlay and also sa ating wireless Android Auto but on selected phone units pa siya. So, as you can see sa ating infotainment ng Mazda, medyo malayo siya sa driver para maging less obstructive and hindi siya touchscreen. Nakokontrol siya using this dial or tinatawag nating command center. Dito sa ating aircon, meron na siyang dual zone and nagkaroon na ng changes sa placement ng mga buttons. Also, kapag pinipihit mo tong mga knobs na to is makaka-feel ka ng premium sensation. Even the knobs are sophisticatedly engineered by Mazda. So as you can see sa mga design is meron pa rin siyang chrome accents hanggang dito sa aircon. So simple lang siya yet premium. So dito sa baba, meron tayong wireless charger and 2 cup holder. And of course, meron tayo ditong shift knob. It is made with chrome accents and of course, leather. So pinalilibutan din ito ng chrome accents and gloss black pero may takip pa siya so hindi namin siya mapapakita. Dito sa gilid is meron siyang sport mode on and off. Pwede rin siyang maging manual mode gamit ang shift knob. So we have here electronic parking brake with auto hold and as you can see, wala tayong nakikitang visible USB port dahil nandito siya sa loob ng leather armrest. Kakaiba ang ating armrest dahil i-slide muna siya, then itataas natin siya para mabuksan. So as you can see, medyo malawak ang ating armrest and meron siyang divider and ito siya. Ito ang ating divider. So, pwede kang maglagay kahit ano dahil malawak naman siya. And dito nakatago ang ating USB port. Meron siyang Type-C and 12-volt socket. So, moving forward, dito sa taas is meron na tayong sunglass holder. And meron tayo ditong ilaw for driver. And of course, meron tayong ilaw for passenger. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating control buttons para sa ating sunroof. And manual lang ating sunshade. Siyempre, meron tayo ditong visors, dalawang visors for drivers and for passenger. So, meron siyang ilaw dito at hindi mabubukas yung ilaw kapag hindi mo binuksan tong mirror na to. So, LED na rin siya. So, tignan natin kung same siya sa ating passenger. Yan. So, dito sa ating auto-dimming rear view mirror is frameless na siya. While sa ating dashboard is gawa siya sa soft touch and leather with brown stitches. And of course, meron siyang heads-up display. And of course, hindi mawawala ang glove box ng Mazda. And as you can see, kakaiba yung texture na gawa sa kanya. Hindi siya basta-basta gawa sa plastic or whatsoever. So, kitang-kita nyo na napaka-premium talaga ng gawa ng Mazda. All in all, car bodies, kitang-kita naman natin na sobrang ganda ng interior Mazda 3 natin. And kita natin na grabe yung elegance and premiumness ng ating sasakyan, especially sa ating front seat pa lamang. With that said, punta naman tayo sa likod. So, dito naman sa ating door panel, similar siya sa door panel ng driver's seat with soft touch and leather with brown stitches. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating chrome and gloss black accents. So, ang naiba lang is yung speaker natin is wala na siyang metal cover. And yung compartment natin is mas pinaliit siya. Dito naman sa gitna is meron tayong 2 aircon vents. And dito sa gitna is meron tayong armrest with 2 cup holders. Leather wrap na rin siya. So, as you can see, meron tayong grab handle dito. So, all in all is meron siyang 4 sa front seat and dito sa back seat. And of course, meron tayong dome light na nako-control sa front seat. So, sa ating headroom is, as you can see, is minimal na lang siya. And 5'5" yung height ko, but kayang-kaya pa. While sa ating knee room is isang dangkal pa. So, as you can see, is comfortable pa naman siya. Hindi pa naman siya masikip and spacious pa siya. That's it sa ating interior Mazda 3. So, balik tayo kay Ate Mela Sue.
So we are done reviewing the Mazda 3 Sport Sedan. Once again, thank you so much sa Mazda Santa Rosa and of course kay Sir Tyrone. Ipa-flash na lang namin sa screen yung kanyang contact number.
And yes, you guys are free to visit here Mazda Santa Rosa. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. And of course, our FB page, CarView PH. And see you in our next videos.
Bye!
Bye!